If you recently received our new Quick Connect hose system, this video will walk you through the setup process. Step 1. Install the ball valves on your tub. Thread the supplied Quick Connect ball valves onto your tub. Tighten them with your hand, but be careful not to over tighten. Next, attach the corresponding hose fittings to your chiller. Do so by tightening with your hand and ensure not to over tighten. When connecting the inline filter, first remove the Quick Connect off the inlet port on the chiller. Then screw your inline filter onto the inlet port on your chiller, twisting in a clockwise direction until hand tight. Step 3. Connecting the Quick Connect hoses. To attach the hose, pull back on the collar of the Quick Connect fitting. While holding back the collar, slide the fitting fully into the mating connection. Then release the collar and gently pull on the hose to ensure that it's tightened in place. Repeat this process for all the remaining connections, ensuring that you've connected the hoses from their corresponding color. Ensure all Quick Connect fittings are fully seated and locked. Then inspect the tub and all connections to ensure that there are no leaks. Your Chiller Pro is now ready for full operation. Your Quick Connect hoses allowed for a quick setup and a leak-free experience.